guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. I actually was recently getting over a cold, but I'm better now, so I'm here with a new video. I used to do skincare videos all the time, but it's been a while, so I thought I would update you guys. And if you've watched my other skincare videos, you'd know that I used to have really bad skin. I don't want to talk about it. It brings back, you know, some bad memories. How I cleared my skin was a combination of using different products and spin brushes. I've talked about spin brushes on my channel before, and today I have a new one for you. So I have this spin brush here. This is from the brand Duval. They actually sent me this. Thank you so much. I know I spoke with Stacy from their company. She actually reached out to me. Thank you so much. It comes with four different four interchangeable parts that you can put onto the brush. So I'm just going to show you how I use that. And I have already used this product. I wanted to make sure I was familiar with it before I showed you guys, just to make sure that, you know, I was using it properly and that I sort of had my routine down. So I have used it. I love it. And I definitely think you should check them out. And luckily for you, I have a coupon code. The coupon code is OurFlash. It's either going to be on the side or the side. I'm not really sure. And with that code, you will get 70% off on all styling tools, plus this Radiance Spin Care System, which is the one I'll be showing you guys today. So let's get right into it. So to start out, I kind of have these little bang pieces going on, so I'm going to have to pin those back. To start, just put my hair up in a little bun at the base of my neck, as I do every day. And then I just have a little bobby pin here. So I'm going to keep my bangs down. That's it. So let me go ahead and open this up. The packaging kind of got destroyed in the mail, but everything was perfectly fine in here, so it's whatever. So now I'm just going to show you everything that the Spin Care System comes with. You get the base, like this. You get a body brush, which is just a large attachment that you can use all over your skin, and I'll actually show you a little bit of this as well in my routine today. You get a cleansing head, which is just a small version of that one, and it's a lot softer. It's more for everyday use, and it won't be too abrasive on your skin. This one is the exfoliation brush head. It's a little tougher, and you use this like once a week just to get off dead skin cells. And exfoliating is really good because once you clear off all the dead skin cells and, you know, all that, it actually helps the products sink into your skin better, like moisturizers and serums and all of that. And this is the one I was really excited about. This is called a pumice stone, and it's just like a tough little thing on there, and it's good for spots where you have a lot of dryness or maybe calloused skin. So like you could use this on your heels. You would just soak your feet first and like use it on your heels. And I haven't had anything like this before, so I was really happy that this was included in the system. You just soak your feet first, and you can use it to like soften the heels of your feet and stuff like that. So that's what, and I won't be demoing this today, but trust me, it's good. I have used it, so. Oh, also I just exfoliated yesterday, so I won't be using the exfoliation thing, but I mean, they're the same size. So I'm gonna start off with the regular cleansing brush. It just hooks on like that. There's only two buttons on here, this one and this one. And then at the bottom here, there's a cap that you pull off, and it's kind of closed on there really nicely right now, but you just put in two AA batteries. I am going to start, actually I'm gonna close this door here, sorry. Is that too echoey? Never mind, I'm gonna leave this open. These are the two skincare products that I use. This is the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. It's for sensitive skin. And this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, which I've been using for years now. I love it. Actually, both of these I've been using for years. And I don't have sensitive skin, but I mean, if you can get a face wash that doesn't have all the artificial stuff, then why not? Even if your skin can handle it, it's probably better to use products for sensitive skin because they're always going to be easier on you. What I do is I like to dampen my skin a little bit, but I don't like to splash my face because it gets my bathroom all messy. So I'll typically just get this washcloth wet and then just press it in like that. And what I do is I just wet this first, and I'll just put a little bit on top here. And you just press start. There you go. And it will start foaming. As you can see, it's starting to foam right now. This is so gentle. I can feel that it's getting down into my pores so nicely. And I get a lot of dry skin around my chin, and that's really been helping. And I think my skin has been clearer there because I've been using this. So it's starting to get lathery, and it's always a good idea to get in the cracks of your nose here because it's hard to clean that spot well with your fingers. So I just do it with the brush. So I can go right over my nose piercing with this, and it doesn't irritate my piercing at all. And it's actually good because it's a quick way for me to clean it. And I'm not putting any pressure really. Truthfully, this does all the work for you. Like I'm literally just going in small circular motions. And that's it. And I like how small it is because it's just small enough to fit right there alongside my eyebrow. If you like it latherier and more bubbly, then you would either add more water or add more face wash, but that usually does the trick for me. I changed my shirt because I'm going to show you the body brush as well. But I splashed my face. Now I just dry it off. Pat dry always. I don't like to rub on my skin. But it's the easiest thing I have ever used. I use it in the shower too, just whatever's convenient for me. I feel like my skin can breathe because I'm someone who has very oily skin in my T-zone here. I know those oils are natural and it's healthy for your skin to produce them because it keeps it moisturized and protects it from the sun and things like that. But because I overproduce, my skin just can't breathe. So cleaning it out makes it feel so good. Now I'm going to moisturize. So I'm going to be using that Clinique moisturizer that I showed you. I just do one pump like that. And then I'll just softly run it over my skin. Another thing I'd like to point out is using the brush around my piercing keeps my nose really, really clear because it's hard to clean the skin around here. It's hard to get makeup off around your nose piercing. If you have one, you'd understand. It can be really difficult because you don't want to tug at it, and just gently putting the brush over it cleans everything. Like the pores around it are super clean, and it's just it's really convenient for me to clean my piercing that way. Onto the next brush head. This is the body brush, and I actually changed my shirt. I'm not shirtless, you guys. I changed my shirt so it's easy to clean. I'm just going to give you a little demo. Usually I would do this in the shower, and I just put some body wash on my brush, and I'll go all around this way, on my back, on my shoulders, and then I'll also do things like my knees and my elbows, because like elbows and knees tend to be places where you get dry skin. And recently I got a sunburn, which is not something that happens to me often, so I don't take it very well, and my back here was peeling, and this came in the mail right as I needed it the most because it was just like my regular cleanser exfoliators weren't doing the job. I rub it into my back, but the second I dried off after my shower, I could see more skin lifting. After I used this, it was all gone, so it works. So I'm going to wet it. Since this is closest to me, like I said, I'd usually use body wash, but I'm just going to use some more face wash, and it's this easy. This one is very exfoliating, so you don't want to push it into your skin because that can be a bit much. You get the idea. Then you can go all the way. And yeah, so it's just like that. And I don't necessarily need to exfoliate my skin right now because I already did it in the shower, but I just thought I would turn it on to show you how it works. And now my skin feels so incredibly smooth. So I'd imagine if you had like a night out or something and you did this and then put on moisturizer with like a little bit of body glitter in it, your skin would look so amazing. So that is about it for this video. I have to say I've used many skincare brushes, and this is definitely one of the best ones I've ever had, especially because it comes with so many different brush heads that you can change out for whatever you need. It's basically an all-in-one. You can do just about everything with this system. So that's why I love it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And that brings us to the end of this video. I don't use a lot of like products on my skin really. So just those two things and those brush heads were all I needed to feel as clean and fresh as I do. So definitely go use that code if you're interested. Even if you don't necessarily need a spin brush, you could get a styling tool or something like that. 70% off saves you a lot of money. Like I said, my coupon code is OurFlash, 70% off on the Duval website, and I will have it all linked into the description, plus the product that I'm using today. And that's about it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, leave a like and a comment letting me know what you thought, and please leave me some video suggestions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.